guys, welcome back to Journal Art Pit. It's me Zainab Altaf, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock your iPhone iCloud in full free and 100% working method. Everything is going to get fixed in it along with your SIM. So as you can see, this is my iPhone 7 having iOS 14.4.2 and it is an activation lock. So I'm going to unlock it and I'm going to show you how also you can do it. Everything is going to fix in it along with your SIM. So first of all, what we are going to do is I'm going to show you that my iPhone is GSM. There is no written MEID. It means my iPhone is GSM. So now here you have to open a website which is over here. This is a very trustworthy and reliable website. I have also unlocked my another iPhone with this website already, and I'm going to do it again. So here, first of all, we have to in this website we have to sign in, and then I'm signed in, and then I'm choosing my order according to my device because it's no MEID, so I'm choosing this. You have to choose according to yours. Here is the price, which is a very affordable price. It is only $7, but before that it was $8. Now the price goes down. Here are some instructions that we gotta follow, and here are written the all iPhones supported by this website. So now here you have to write down your serial number. So let me write down my serial number. I have connected my iPhone and I'm writing my serial number, my notes, comments, and gonna write my email address. And then we have to click on order now. So now as you can see, in few seconds your order is being done. Now we have to download the tool. So let's download the tool. Here is the tool. We are going to click on download to download it. Let's wait for it. So I also want to tell you that according to my iPhone, I have ordered the bypass, and according to that, I'm downloading the tool. So now what we're going to do is, here's the tool. Let me check out that whether it is working or not. So I'm going to extract it, and here's the extracted one file. So here, this is the tool right here. Let's click on OK. So the tool is working. Now we have to close this and we are going to run the check-in. For that, let's restart our PC. So we are in it and we have to first connect our iPhone to the PC. So let's connect it. The iPhone is connected, and now if you have iOS 14.4.1, 14.4.2 or 14.4, then you have to click on options, and then you have to click on the first option, allow untested iOS versions. As you can see, it is written over here. You have to click on it, and then we have to click on back right here. To begin, we have to click on start. Now we have to click on OK. Now we have to click on next, and as you can see, iPhone entering recovery mode. Now we have to click on start, and it will instruct us to put our phone into DFU mode according to our devices. And now when I click on start, it is going to instruct me to put my phone into DFU mode according to my device. So now let's wait. So as you can see, it is all done. Now I'll show you that my iPhone, it is in activation lock, and we will boot to Windows to run the bypass tool. So as you can see, my iPhone is in activation lock. So now we are in the Windows, and first of all, we are going to disable the antivirus. So let's first disable the antivirus. Manage settings and off, and yes. So here's the extracted one tool that I told you before to extract it, and we also opened it. So we are again going to open it, run as administrator, and click on yes. And now you have to click on OK. So here's the tool, and we are going to connect our phone to the Windows. So as it is connected, now we have to click on the option which is written over here, active. So we click on active to unlock our iPhone. So now we have to wait for it, but here before that it is saying to insert your SIM. So we have to insert the SIM according to the given instruction. So let's insert the SIM. So as you can see, it is searching, and also you can see the signals right here. Now you have to click on OK because we have inserted the SIM. Now we have to wait for it. Until you wait, open your internet browser, search YouTube, search General Outbid, and click on the subscribe button, and also on the click on the bell icon to get every new notification on time about these methods. So as you can see, congratulations, our device has been activated. It is successfully activated. Now I'll do some setups. So as you can see, my iPhone is successfully unlocked with everything fixed along with my SIM fix. Notification fix, iCloud sign-in fix, App Store fix, on-off fix, Siri fix, and etc. So now we are on the home screen and you can see it is successfully unlocked. You can also see the network name and the network signals right here. SIM is also fixed. Now I'm gonna go in settings. And I'm going to show you my iOS version and the phone that I have. So as you can see, my iOS version is 14.4.2 and the model is iPhone 7. So everything is fixed in it. Now I'm going to power it off to show you that my on-off is also fixed. So let's power it off. I'm not showing you the notification, iCloud sign-in because the video would be so long, but everything is 100% working in it. So let's open it. As you can see, on-off is 100% working and it is fixed. And you can also see the SIM signals and also the network name right here. So now I'm going to make a call to show you that SIM call is also fixed. So let's make a call. Right here. And let's wait for it. You can see it is calling. So as you can see, SIM successfully worked. Hope you like this video. Even if you don't, smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video.